So here's how to restore the old context menu in Windows 11. So if you're someone who wants to see more menu option when you right click, instead of right clicking and then clicking on show more options, and this also applies to folders and file when you right click and click on show more options. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get this old context menu. Now to change this is quite easy. What you want to do is come to the Windows icon in this section, right click on it, and you want to click on the option with Windows Terminal with admin option. Click on this and click on yes to allow app to make changes to your device. This will open the Windows terminal. Here you want to enter the code, which I'm going to be leaving in the description, and then enter on your keyboard. You should see completed as successful. You can restart your computer after this to take effect, or you want to right click here again and then you want to open Task Manager this time around. Once Task Manager is open and search for File Explorer. Now right click on File Explorer and click on Restart. This should restart the File Explorer. Now you can go back, and when you right click on your home screen, you should no longer see the new context menu on Windows 11. Now also when you right click on files, you will see the old context menu. If you want to make changes, this is quite easy to do. What you want to do again is right click here and then open the Windows Terminal admin again. Allow to make changes to your device and then enter the second code, which I'm going to be leaving in the description. Enter on your keyboard and you should get the operation is completed successfully. You can go back to Task Manager, and in Task Manager, you want to find File Explorer again, right click and click on Restart. Now when you go back, you should now see the new Windows context menu. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.